How are we all doing? We're starting to live through some strange times, so for all of you that are locked in your house or whatever, I hope you're keeping well. That's absolute madness what's going on in the world at the minute. However, there'll be no more talk of that here, because you need to have an escape from all that. So, I'm going to float around with this Telefunken Banjo automatic 301 and see if we can have a bit of fun with it or what have you. So I'll bring the phone in and we'll have a squint at it and see what it's all about. Nice little radio. Radio Museum tells me it's from 1969, although I think that's a little bit early, but certainly early 70s are right. So we'll have a look at it anyway, see what happens. Now, one of the first things I noticed with it is it's missing a catch in the handle for the nudger, so it's only locks in on one side. The catch must have fell out. However I've managed that. Anyway, that's not the end of the world. Made in Western Germany. Batteries in them. Ah, look at the style of them. They still haven't leaked as bad as some of them Duracells though. Think I'll add that one to my little collection of ever ready batteries. I have a few of them stuck up there, see? So there's another one for the collection. That's not bad. It could have been a lot worse actually. They actually haven't even damaged the terminals. They've just gone rusty. But yeah, I don't think they've actually leaked. I think they've just gone rusty. I don't know. Anyway, high power HP11. Are they alkaline or are they? They feel a bit light. No, I'd say they're in carbons as well. Yeah, which one of these is the cleanest looking? That one. I'll keep that one. Alright. The radio. Let's get a lead into it and see does it work. Probably does work, but we'll have a look anyway. So I'll just pause there for a second and I'll get myself a figure of 8 lead. Right, so I have me figure of 8 lead here, so we'll plug her in and see what happens. See what we get. Rust and dust. Yeah. Dooby. We've issues with our button unit anyway, because there we go. In your magic spray, will have to come into play there.
It brings to 9 the number of deaths related to the respiratory illness in the Republic of Ireland.
The output's very low on it. I wonder is the coupling electrolytic gone low. Only bad news on the radio anyway. Alright, I'll open it up. Let's see, does it do anything along with it? No. Okie dokie. Right, we'll open her up and see what we can do. Now, by the way, I got another screwdriver, but the batteries aren't performing on this one, so I'm gonna have to do something with it. But I have 2 of them now anyway. So anyway, this one's working away now, but the batteries came up alright in that in the end. Yeah, maybe I'll think about putting I don't know whether to just get 2 sub-C cells and stick them in it, or do the lithium battery trick. So, I'd say we've plenty of time anyway to be thinking about these things. Now, let's see what way this thing comes apart. I think I have to take the knobs off the front. There we go. Nice and easy. Lovely stuff. What a happy little radio. Oh! Now, it actually uses an IC, a TAA 300. What is that? TAA 300 chip there. See that? Wonder what that does. Is that the sound output? We hope it's alright. If it is, well, I'll have to go and look that up. But I suppose I'll try a bit of magic spray on the old buttons anyway, first off. Let's see where we go. Just a little bit. Right, we'll try it again. Well, the magic spray seems to have sorted out the band problem anyway. So that's a start. Yeah, I'd say that TAA 300 is the sound output chip. So I suppose we could go try going across them electrolytics with another cap and see does that make any difference. There's a 100 microfarad cap here.
From the album Kiss Me, Kiss Me, Kiss Me. And in 1987 it peaked at one of the UK singles charts. It filmed the
First one I touched. Alright. That was easy, wasn't it? Okay. Right, we'll lash that in. That's great. I love it when a plan comes together like that, folks. Let's see what value that is now. I'm not gonna take the board out. I'm gonna do it the lazy man's way and just tack on to what's there. 400 microfarad, 10 volts. Right, let's see if it's something a bit closer then than the 100 microfarad. Alright, give me a second here, I'll have to go routing. Right, I'm after finding a lovely axial 470 microfarad cap there. Focus. So I'll bang that in. As you can see, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to tack them in there onto the two legs that are there. I'll wrap around and we'll be good to go. It's a little bit awkward to get in it. Lovely. Okie dokie, let's try her now. I need a rubber band there to hold that ferrite rod on. We don't want that to get broken. Yeah. You just tie a knot on the rubber band, that might be the easiest thing to do. Do the same this side too. Ah, we're getting there. Right, let's see how we perform now. Oh, beautiful. Just like that. That is lovely. It's a real nice radio, that. That's it.
New appeal.
Mark Lowcock, Under-Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs and Emergency Relief Coordinator at the UN. Thanks for...
Lovely. Let's see what the medium wave is
We've
like.
seen a sale of household consumer products, so... Someone off the
Get rid of the dust. You know what I have here now at the minute for cleaning knobs, and it's the greatest thing ever. And you'll never use a toothbrush again if you get one of these. It's a little ultrasonic cleaner. You pull the knobs off, throw it into that for a couple of minutes, and they come out like new. So that's the treatment that I'll give the knobs. Let's see what FM is like. Lovely radio. Right, I'll clean the knobs, throw it back together, and then we'll have a look at the finished result. It was a real handy repair, that one. Right, so we're back together. So, doesn't look too bad.
Waiting on the 10th, for example, so I was thinking about you and sending out good vibes.
Yeah? Can you hear me now? Can't hear me. All right. Ricky, can you?
Hit the snooze button. It is rising time at the weekends with Lillian Smith. Saturdays, Sunday morning, 6 a.m.
Ricky was on mission.
Morning, big one.
Can you get the full bar music as well? That'd be nice. Right, 08717 the lengths you went to do it for here.
Lovely. Very happy with that. So, that's another one fixed. Thanks for watching. And mind yourselves out there. Good luck for now.